Welcome to the Alpha Glam. My name is Ifeoluwa Adekunle, a lawyer by day, a pro makeup artist by passion, and also your go-to person for everything beauty, skincare, gele, and lifestyle. And guys, if you're all about beauty and great vibes, you are definitely in this right channel. I'll be teaching you how to achieve this my beautiful round gele by yourself. Yes, I'll be teaching you how to get this round gele by yourself. I tied this on myself because I'm going for Thanksgiving now. So if this is something you like to watch, if you want to see how I achieved it by myself, kindly keep on watching. Guys, the first thing I want to do is to prep my hair. This makeup, I actually did it on my live stream, so you can check my live stream video day 6. I actually did this makeup, so it was on my live stream, everything, all the process, all the products I used, I have everything in that video. So if you are really interested in knowing how I achieved this beautiful bit, kindly tune into my live stream. So right now, to tie this gele, I'll be removing this and I'll be using my hair gel first. Today is just a very funny day. I'm trying to do all this against all odds because honestly, a lot of things have discouraged me this morning, like my outfit. While I wait for it to dry, this is the gele we'll be doing. So remember, you are turning your gele, putting it into half, and half you are going to be taking 40 and 60. You're going to be 40 and 60. So to get 40 and 60, 1, then 2. So this is where to be starting from. Do you understand? So I'll take this and place it on my head. Oh God. The outfit I even have on is not an outfit that I should be stressing myself with. You can see. Yes. So right now I need to create pleats. Now that I know where it should be, you want to create pleats with it. Yes. So, listen. Yes. After this, I'm found it. So your long hand is hanging under. Yes. Long hand under, short hand on top. After you've done this, you want to make sure everywhere is neatly arranged, and right now you want to place your short hand on top of the pleats you made earlier, and you'll be making pleats on this short hand just like I am doing. So you want to place this on top of what the pleats you have created before and carefully bring out pleats out of it. So you take your pleats by taking them on the side. Yes, take them neatly. I prayed for sun. God sent me sun that will melt everything. Because why is this sun so ash today? Yes. So just want to keep creating pleats and making sure they are very neat. You can create at least 3 or 4 pleats on the short hand. Yes, so you just want to carefully do this. Make sure they are neat. One thing that I tell everyone is that your neatness actually goes a long way when it comes to gele. You want your pleats to look neat and precise, yeah, and that is what we are trying to achieve right now. One more time. Yes, so now you want to create pleats on your long hand. That's the one with the 60 centimeters.
and you can see I'm taking it from beneath. You want to make sure you are taking it from where it joins, that overlapping. That is where you want to use as your base on top of this gele. If you take the other side, there's tendency that your pleat would not form well. So this is why you have to be careful. You have to know where it overlaps and where you use as your base. So right now, I'll be placing this neatly first. You have to make sure your first and second base are very neat and firm on your head. This is what actually carries the whole gele. If it is not firm, if it is not tight, there's tendency that this gele might loosen up after some time. So you want to make sure this is done.
Ah, God, I feel so sweaty already. So right now, yeah, just be. Don't know why I'm tying by that game.
You want to make sure that these 3 pleats that you're holding or 4 are tight, firm, and secured. You want to make sure that they are very solid because they can make or mar your gele. So now that you have done that, you want to use your hands to neaten up the back. Normally you want to create donuts and all that because the back of your gele must also look good. It might not look as good as the front. The front is the most essential part, but still you still want the back of your gele to be neatly done. So right now, the 60 inches at the tip, I'll be dividing it into 2. I'll be taking it from the middle of the pleat of the 60 inches. As you can see, yes, I'll just be taking gathers together. I'll gather it all together, then I'll tie it to the 40 inches. Yes, I'll put it beneath, then tie. So that's my first tie. And guys, you have to make sure it is tight and secure. This is what is going to hold your gele together. Yes, this tie is what is going to hold it together, so you have to make sure it is very tight. And now that this is done, you can just tie it again, but you are going to untie it at some point. And yes, that is it about that.
Yes, I feel so hot. So right now, I'm taking my pleats.
And you want to keep forming pleats on that tray. So like I said, these first pleats are like the foundation while you be putting the rest of the pleats on it. So the reason why it has to be solid is that if those 3 pleats are not solid, the other pleats will not be able to stand on it. And as you are making your pleats, make sure you make it to the end of the gele. You want to keep on pleating this long gown till it gets to the very end. So you keep on pleating and you take it neatly and gently. Also, as you are pleating, make sure it gets to the side so that the pleat can be neatly done. It helps. So make sure you just pleat. Make sure it gets to the very end on the side. So you arrange it properly. Yes.
You can make a mistake with the twist here. So you want to make sure
your pleats are properly done at that side. That side is very, very important. So you want to make sure your pleats are properly and neatly done. Then you untie what you've done earlier, then tuck it in. Yes, you tuck it in. So remember that the first time we tied it twice, so now we'll just untie one step, then tuck that in, then tie again. Yes, this time it has to be firm. And right now I'm trying to knit in the back. Like I told you, it is head knowledge. So right now I'll just be using all this to create bow. You still want your gele to look good, and this is why I am just trying to create donuts. So you can see it looks better, it looks more arranged. It would have looked better if I could see it, but I could not see what I was doing, and that is how it looked. You want to make sure that your pleat looks good at the sides. You don't just want the top of it to look good. The sides too matter. So try to use your hands to make sure the pleats align. Everything looks good together. This is very important. Also use your hands to lift it up a bit if you feel like it's too small. So basically what I am doing right here is just to make sure everything looks good on the side. Then right now I'll be pushing it to the back just for my hair to come out, and also try to arrange it at the back. Yeah, so all this you are doing right now is just you using your hands to make sure it looks good, presentable. Then if you want it a little bit higher, just use your hands to lift it. And yeah, that is it.
Yes, I think this is good. This is okay, not entirely bad. So guys, we have come to the end of this look. I hope I tried, despite the fact that I have time constraints and I'm trying to really rush because service has started and I'm running really late. I still tied this beautiful style. It might not be as perfect as I would love it to be, because normally I would have loved the sides to be very neat, but honestly I don't have the time to do all that now. So guys, I really hope you all love this result and you love how we achieved this, and you can make your own better than this. And if you want to also see easier gele styles, you can check through my channel. I have a lot of gele tutorials for you that you will love. Also guys, I hope you have not missed me too much. I am currently having a live stream challenge, so you can go through my videos. I pop up in the morning, I pop up in the evening, depending on what is happening that day. And I'm also teaching skincare, makeup, gele. So I really hope you enjoy my videos. Don't forget to like, don't forget to share, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video guys. Bye.